it's me, Franny, and today, today I am finally showing you guys my bedroom. If you guys don't know, I recently moved into a new house with new roommates, and basically there's a reason that I'm in this house. There's a reason that I'm living with the roommates that I am living with. I'm not going to be telling you guys who I'm living with yet. Some of you guys have guessed it. Some of you guys have been asking. I'm not gonna say it just yet. I'm gonna introduce them in a video properly. So I probably am gonna be doing that sometime next week. And yeah, so there's a project that we are all working on, and I'm really excited to share with you guys. So stay tuned for that. So I wanted to show you my bedroom. I finally got it all done yesterday. The guy came in, a guy came in and installed my TV for me. So I was like, okay, finally my room is completely done. I think there's really nothing else I want done to my room. Maybe just if I want to organize it differently. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty much the way I want it. So I was like, you know what, why not? All right, so this is the entrance. Here, let me close the door, give you the full effect. All right, so this is my door to my room. Open it up. Here I am. This is my bedroom. If you guys recognize that I have the same bedding, I didn't even go out and buy new bedding because I liked my bedding. But yeah, this is my room. So I think I'm just gonna go like that way around and then into my closet, into my bathroom, and kind of just show you guys everything. All right, so here, as you see, I have my filming setup and my vanity, my lights. I have all my makeup, my palettes, you know, setting sprays, brushes, more palettes, and then my light. Have my little furry seat, carpet, you know, the whole jazz. Then here, I'm not sure what I want to do with this. This has all my makeup, majority of my makeup, this drawer. So yeah, it has all my makeup in this. And you know, it was here already, and then I got the TV installed right there. So I was like, this just looks awkward, but I mean, I don't know where else to put it, so I'll figure it out. But for right now, it's fine right there. It's really not in the way of anything. My TV, let me just tell you guys a little story of what happened with my TV yesterday, because it was literally the most ridiculous thing that I've ever experienced in my life. So, I bought my TV at Best Buy. At Best Buy, they have something called Geek Squad, so they basically, you know, they're like they're tech people that they come in and they install your TV for you. So I bought my TV, and I also bought the service for the Geek Squad to come in and put up my TV on a mount for me. The guy comes to yesterday, and I had the mount already, and he was the one delivering the TV to me. He brings the TV up, you know, he takes the whatever he's setting up, he takes the mount out that I bought, and the mount is broken. So Alexander, that was his name, shout out to you. You were a homie. Like, he was the best person ever. He was so patient through all this. Anyways, we opened up the mount and it's broken. So we put it back in the box, and he goes and brings it back to Best Buy and returns it and gets another mount that is fixed. So then he comes back, whatever, he takes out the mount again, he puts it on the wall. Then we take the TV out and we put it on my bed, and I help him put it up, whatever, da-da-da. The TV is shattered. Like, let me tell you, the whole screen was shattered. When I put it up, I was like, I think the TV's broken. And he goes, no, that's just the film on it. And then he looked at it better and he goes, oh no, it's broken. We both looked so defeated and so upset. I felt so bad. So we took the TV down, we put it back in the box. And I mean, I guess it kind of worked out because I actually ended up asking him to return it and getting me a smaller TV. Well, I didn't say like, go return it, but like he went back to get another TV for me. But I asked him, I was like, is it okay if you can just get me a smaller one? So I ended up getting a smaller TV because it just looked better on the wall. He finally came back. The TV was fixed, the mount was good, and he finally put it up on my wall. But then the gag was, when he put it up, the mount doesn't turn all the way. So when I watch TV, as you can tell, it's like tilted. Okay, so if this is the wall, it like tilted like that, but it just needs to tilt a little more, but it just doesn't. So I can watch it perfectly from my TV, but it just would have been better if it could be tilted more. Anyways, this whole situation with the TV was just a disaster. So now this is Okay, so my windows, probably my favorite part of my room. It's just a beautiful view. That's all of it's all of LA, you know. Yeah, so I bought these curtains and I got the curtain rods and everything installed. Also, another story with the curtains, I bought not enough curtains. And it just my room looked a little wonky for a little bit, but that's not a big deal. But yeah, someone came in and installed the curtains for me because I needed curtains. It was weird, like I didn't have curtains for a few days and I was like, oh my god, everyone's looking at me, especially at nighttime when it's like bright in here and dark out there. I feel like anyone outside could just look inside and it was just scary and freaky. Okay, anyways. Back. Okay, so yeah, this is the windows, my favorite part. I think what I'm gonna do though, outside on this balcony, at Home Depot, I know they sell like pots for plants that you can hang on railings, and I wanna put like literally just pots on all of it and have a little garden on my balcony. That's literally all I want because they'll literally thrive with this sunlight. Okay, so now we're coming over here. Okay, it is very bright. I have my lamp, this little ball that JC didn't want anymore. It's literally like a little moon. It lights up. So I took it from him. My laptop, I usually keep my laptop next to my bed. Well, this is Christina's laptop. That's my laptop. I usually keep it on a night table, you know, because I'm always like watching videos or Netflix or something. I don't know. So yeah, here I have in my drawers. It is just like a charger, headphone. This is actually Christina's stuff, I think. I don't know. That's, I think, mine and her stuff. And here's all of my electronics, my camera, tripod, memory cards and stuff. You know, all that jazz. So yeah, here's my bed. This is a full-size bed. Yeah, and I kept just the bedding and the same exact pillows and everything from the old place. I don't know, I just felt like I didn't need new bedding, so you know. This board came with the house already, so that was convenient. It's like scaly, like snake with like these beads on it. Very cute. Here's my other night table. So this is the side I sleep on because that's my charger. And then I have some books that actually Emily got me for my birthday that I'm really excited to read. So I have a few books under there. Yeah, so here is my drawer. I have my journal. I have a sleeping spray pillow that I got from some gift box, melatonin. Basically, when I'm wide awake, I just take one of these. It helps me fall asleep. It's just like a natural thing that lets you fall asleep. Apple TV, and just pencils and pens. And then in here, I just have like a box of just random stuff, and I don't even know what that is. Okay, so here are shoes that I'm actually giving away, but these, I think Bree's gonna take those. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, to be honest with you yet. Yeah, okay, so basically, yeah, these are my old night tables and this mirror. I decided to just put them in between these two. Yeah, so I have a few candles here. Oh, this is literally, if you can get to Target, I'm telling you right now, this is the best smelling candle in the world. It's called Gray Flannel. Oh my god, it smells so good. So that, my jar of coins, whatever. This is so cute. It's a little thing of Frankie. Oh, my Polaroids of Frankie. Garage clicker. Here's like my arts and crafts drawer. Literally all that in there. This just has some jewelry and a tape measure. Over here, I want to hang up this plaque. Just trying, you know, getting that, remembering to, because it's literally fine right there. My 100,000 subscriber plaque. This is a little F. This is an F that one of my best friends from back home made me, Liz. That was when I moved out here like 2 years ago, and I kept it. So shout out to you, Liz. I always have it up in my room because I love it. This is a really cute box that Christina actually made me for my birthday. It was super cute. It has like pictures of us, a letter, everything. A picture of us. Yeah, something that she made for me. Super cute. Photo of me and my family. Something that Nessa gave me. In here is just, you know, random stuff, I guess. Like a calculator from my school. And just more random stuff that I just didn't know what to do with. Okay, so now that is basically my room, the main part of my room. So now I come in here, and here's my closet. So here's my old mirror that I put in here, because I didn't want to get rid of it either. So I was like, okay, I'll put that in there. Here are all like my, like, I don't know, hey, K&J. Just like my Teen Choice Award, access thing, VidCon, just like different access lanyards, just lanyards to different things. So that's that, my water, a dress that I have to return. Okay, so here are all my shoes, my closet, basically. I'm not really gonna go into depth of this, but yeah, that's Christina stuff, closet, whatever, da-da-da. Like I put all my storage stuff up there too. And then here's my bathroom. It's cheeky, it's cute, I love it. My window. Oh, I actually, at the old place, I didn't have a window in my bathroom. I just love having windows to like let the place air out and let it just breathe and stuff. And just, well, especially in the bathroom when it gets like steamy and stuff. But yeah, here's all of this. Like my face stuff, hair stuff. This is literally my robe, and Christina, she just uses this every day when she gets out of the shower. She's so funny, she just hangs it there. But yeah, that is my room. Yeah, I think it might be a fast video. I honestly don't know yet. It probably won't be because my videos are typically very long.
Sorry.
Just come on in.
Sorry.
Say hi.
It's too hot downstairs.
You're just sweating.
Hey guys!
She went downstairs so I could film this, then she just said,
yeah,
I need to breathe.
How pretty is her room?
What was that? Oh my gosh. This is literally what she does all day. But yeah guys, so this is my room. I love it. I love it so much. And yeah, like I said, I'm working on a project. There are a lot of things going on right now in my life that I just cannot share with you just yet. You'll be meeting my roommate soon, letting you in on just stuff I'm working on, and yeah, just being a lot more open. It's just everything's a little secretive right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this was super requested. Everyone wanted to see my new crib. Well, not my crib, my new space, my new room. I love you guys so much. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what other videos you want to see me do. Put those push notifications on so when I upload, y'all know and can just watch the video right away. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!